Bollywood, what used to happen is that film actors used to send their children to boarding school. Saif himself has studied in a boarding school, and so they would send them so that you're away from this constant security presence or fan presence, or it's a more normal kind of a life or something like that. But that's not happening all that much now. Younger parents like you and Soha, you would always want your child around
I
you, right?
used to dread that my parents will send me to boarding school. In fact, they used to only say it like if I was not doing something that they wanted me to do. तुम खाना नहीं खा रहे हो, ठीक है, तुमको boarding school भेज देंगे. And I was like, कुछ भी दे दो मैं खा लूँगा. So I think that in itself, like I would not be able to live without my daughter. So I'm not even saying the right, wrongs and pluses. And I'm sure there are great pluses.
Yeah.
I just don't know. I've not been a boarding school kid. And I just think for selfish reasons, I wouldn't be able to stay away from my daughter for such a long time.
Okay.
So for very selfish reasons, I wouldn't do that.
Like, see, even the Bachchans, when after, the whole politics of it all happened, they sent Abhishek and Shweta away to stay away. Even when you're talking about, when I'm talking about Saif himself, like, has sent his kids to study, not the younger ones, but the older ones studied separately, so that the filmy influence is not there. Whereas your bachcha, as well as your nephews and nieces, they are exposed to this photography, this constant attention. It's not normal in the sense of, you've also, as a child actor, had the cameras all around you. Do you want to protect your kid from that and just move her away at times? Do you feel that?
I think I would rather empower her and give her the skill sets to deal with it, as opposed to send her away from something completely, because eventually she'll come back to it. And I'm not saying that I'm prepping a movie actor in my house. I have very clear understanding that I want her to live her life to the fullest, have all the experiences in the world, which I didn't have. I want her to travel. I want her to go diving. I want her to ride a bike. I want her to climb a mountain. Do all of those things. At the end of it, if she still comes back and says, but this is what makes me happy, please do it. Because you take an educated guy. It cannot be कि मैं कुएं में मेंढक हूँ, यही मेरा कुआं है और इसी कुएं में अब मेरे को करना पड़ेगा. Because that's a slightly victim-like thing also, I feel, to do.
That's also true. Yeah.
So I would. That's why, like, I would rather her experience this, because anyways I think thanks to social media everything is everywhere. So it's not like कि अगर वो आज कहीं भी हो, वो एक phone उसको पूरी दुनिया के बारे में सब बताता रहेगा. So I haven't actually dug deep to think about this, but like basics that I know is that I want her to have a happy childhood.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.